If we can wait 10 minutes for a good filter coffee, why can't we wait 10 years for real financial wealth? Kumbakonam degree coffee. You've tasted it, you've heard about it, but here's something most people miss: the coffee beans. They aren't even grown in Kumbakonam. But why is it so famous? Because it's not about where the coffee comes from, it's about how it's made. Strong first decoction, pure cow's milk, no shortcuts, no vending machines, just old school brass filters and firewood boiled milk. A process that's been respected for generations. That's what makes it special. Welcome to Kaapi compounding. Now think about investing. Everyone today wants fast return, quick profit, and overnight success. But real wealth, it doesn't come from speed. It comes from discipline, process, patience. Just like a perfect degree coffee. Mutual fund investing needs time to brew. You don't chase trends, you stay consistent with your SIPs, your asset allocation, and your goals. Our grandparents didn't build wealth overnight. They saved regularly, lived well within their means, and let time do the heavy lifting. If we can wait 10 minutes for a good filter coffee, why can't we wait 10 years for real financial wealth? And one day you wake up to wealth that's been quietly compounding behind the scenes. Kumbakonam doesn't grow coffee beans, but it has earned trust, cup after cup, because of how it brews them. Mutual funds are just the same. They don't promise instant results, they promise reliable ones if you respect the process. So sip slow, invest smart, and let your wealth, like a good coffee, brew with time. Thank you.